Hello, today we are going to solve this particular DSA problem. So let's start. So the question says there is some kind of integer ISBN 10 identifier. Uh, it is a 10-digit number, and the last the first nine are going to be 0 to 9 integer, and the last one could be 0 to 9 or x, but it should not be like here. X should not be uh, before the 10th digit. Uh, so let's read the question. ISBN identifier are 10 digit long. The first 9 characters are digits 0 to 9. The last digit can be 0 to 9 or X to indicate a value of 10. An ISBN 10 number is valid if the number of the digits multiplied by their position modulo 11 equals 0. So what we are going to do, we are going to first take uh, the first number and multiply with that position of that number. So position would be starting from 1 and it will go to the 10, and after we add all these integer, then we are going to do with do modulo 11, and if it's equal to 0, then we are going to return true, and if it's not is equal to 0, then we are going to return false. So the first thing that we are going to do here is, uh, let me think. So we are going to identify if it's a 10 digit number or not. So let's take this number const uh, number, oh sorry, number equal to, uh, I I'm assuming that it's going to be string, like uh, it shows in the example, all the test cases. So it would be a string. So ISBN dot, first we are going to split this. Okay, split, then it's going to be like, it will convert into an array of of string of a individual character. So first case we are going to check if it's 10 digit number or not. So if number dot length, uh, what we are going to do is check for the false condition. It's not is equal to 10, then what we are going to do, we are going to return false. That means it will first check the digit, the length of that number array, and if it's not is equal to 10, then it will return false. So first condition, we checked that. So let's move on to second. What we are going to do is, as you can see here, there is one, uh, x is placed between the index 1 to 9. So it will going to be false, because x could be only here at the 10th index. So we are going to write the condition for it. So we are going to check first const is contain x. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to take a number which is array of string, and we are going to split it. Not we are not going to split it, we are going to slice it. Slice 0 to 9, and okay, that's it. So it will take, as you can see here, it will take this one, this much, till the ninth index, and we are going to find out if it uh, this particular array contains x or not. So if is contains x, okay, think there is a spelling mistake. Contain x includes x, then we are going to return false, sorry, false. And now we are going to take this sum, and the last one going to be a unique case, because if there is x, we are going to assume it as a 10. So what we are going to do is going to I think I'm going to store into another array. So let's start const sum array is equal to that number that we have splitted, number dot map. As you can see, I'm doing this in JavaScript language, so that's the only language that I know as of right now. So it's going to be a first element, then it's going to be index. Because index is going to be start from 0, we are going to add uh, 1 to it. Okay, sorry. So, and the thing is that the element el is going to be a string, because we are splitting it. So I have to convert this into a number. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take a mutable variable, let el no, let num is equal to plus el. So, and index is equal to I plus 1. Okay, I have to declare it with const. Now what we are going to do is uh, add this number and index and return it. So here we are going to return number plus index. And one condition I have forget is that we are going to check for x. So if element is equal to x, then we are going to assign number to a 10. Hope it makes sense, and we are going to return that. Okay, so far I think it's good. Now what we are going to do is take this array. Okay, we are going to take this array and add all the digit in that array. So I don't know how to do it, so I'm going to Google it because I'm in the learning phase. So oh, I've already searched it. So what it says is I can use a reduce function to add all the integer in an array. So let copy and paste that, and here we are going to use our sum array. So it's going to now we are going to check if sum module 10 no sorry 11 equals 0, then we are going to return true. Otherwise it will uh, return false. So I think that's it. Let's test it. Okay, the tests are failing. This one is equal to true. Is valid except it's not is equal to 10, then false. 9 includes x. Think expected false equal true.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I found it. I shouldn't have put uh, addition here because as instruction says that I have to multiply those number and then I'm going to add here. So this was the mistake. Now test again. It seemed to pass all the tests. Okay, let's view the whole code. Const, okay, okay, so let's write some comments. You know what, I don't want to write some comments. It's done. Okay, now let's attempt it. Okay, comment your solution, submit when ready. Okay, now I can submit it. Let's see what other smart people have done. They have done this in just single line. Okay, so what he does is that he took the length and he checked the length if it's 10 or not. If it's not, then it will return false. Then he split it and then he reduced, and I don't know what the fuck he's done, but he did it in a single line. Impressive. Very nice. So that's for today.